Hello guys, it's a girl here, Selina Cooks. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So guys, today I've decided I'm going to make cookies and I'm in the supermarket right now, so let's see what I'm going to pick. Yeah, so I'm picking this one, Ajab. I think 1 kg will be enough. Sugar, where's sugar? Sugar, yeah. Sorry. How much is this? 38. Hey, things are really expensive, guys. So I'm checking this one. How much is it? 120, I guess. Yeah. Where's baking powder? I wanna vitu mingi. I think they don't have baking powder here, so I'm just going to see at the next supermarket, guys. Baking powder, see, flour, blue band, baking powder. Look at me, open it, sweet. Guys, I'm here. I'm paying for the things. So guys, I'm here and I'm going to make cookies. I guess coconut cookies because I got this coconut flavor. So let's begin with the preparation, guys. Here's that cup. So guys, I have my measuring cup. So I'm going to use 1 cup of sugar. I have my margarine here, so I'm also going to use 1 cup, but I don't think I'm going to measure with this one. So I'm just going to approximate. If I stick me, oh my god. So guys, my sugar and margarine, so I'm going to mix this. Oh my god. So guys, I'm getting my sugar and butter margarine. You can ask me questions. Now we ask me questions. Nilizanga waswaki later. Niliza waswaki ndio kuongea video endelee kuwa live. Ask me anything. Guys, my sugar is cold, so it's giving me a hard time. Yeah? It's really giving me a hard time.
Lazima ongea Kiingereza. Ni wazuri. Okay, hiyo ni approximation ya how many cookies?
Okay, so it's about 20 cookies to 30 cookies.
Yeah. And you're using 1 egg?
Yeah, just an egg, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have to try it.
1 egg.
Can you use milk?
If you want milk, you can just use milk, but me, I'm not going to use any milk. So yeah, this sugar is really giving me a hard time.
Sinaweza kuja nionyeshe sufuria?
Yeah. But this is it, guys.
Ijakuwa?
Oh, but it's all milk. course.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Like, tell people how many minutes. Tender for how many minutes?
I'm not sure about minutes because it depends. Because I'm also going to, after I'm finished with making this cookie dough, it's going to be in the fridge
Okay.
for like 20 minutes or so before I bake the cookies.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if I have time because this electricity, you know how it is.
Yeah, and the weather too.
Yeah. Hi, Mama Badia. Asante mami. Kwingine. Oh, kwingine mama.
Wow.
Hiki zimekuwa.
Let's see.
So I'm just going to leave it this way, guys. The sugar is coarse. The weather is not. The weather is not
Okay,
good. It's
that's
almost.
it.
Yeah.
So,
Let me
okay.
just put this cookies.
So, ukisha beat hivyo, like, you don't mix anything from there?
I'm going to add my egg.
Or your egg then?
Yeah, my egg in here. Then the next thing I'm going to only add is flour. Yeah, flour.
Then you put it into the fridge.
The freezer. Inside
Like 20 minutes?
20 minutes before baking the cookies.
Okay.
So I'm adding my egg now in here.
Okay. 20 cookies, 1 egg.
One egg. One egg is just enough. It depends with your recipe, but mine I'm just going to use 1 egg. I won't use 2 eggs.
Okay.
So guys, I've added my egg in here, my 1 egg. And I'm mixing this, but I'm not going to overmix because it's a cookie dough. I'm making a cookie dough. This is not a cake, guys. So yeah.
Can we show them?
Sally.
Huh?
Namna gani?
I'm good. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nisionekane hapo.
Sionekane please.
Can we show them?
Yeah, show them.
This is how.
Yeah, guys, this is how it should be. Then now I'm going to add my flour in here. My flour, yeah, my flour. Yeah. So I'm going to measure my flour.
One scale daily.
I'm just going to use a cup.
Cup.
Leo ni cup.
Mimi kuna wakati ichaje normal hapo. Hapa ni vitu za juu.
So guys, I'm measuring my flour. I'm using measuring cups. So I'm going to use 2.5 cups of flour.
You can use any flavors, no?
Yeah,
Same
I'm going to use
mixture.
coconut.
Same mixture, different flavors you can.
Guys, I'm an African, so I'm going to put these cups. They're going to be full, guys.
A quarter
Yeah.
or a half? 2.5.
So we have cookies that don't use baking powder, guys. Not all cookies use baking powder, but for me, I'm using baking powder in my recipe. Yeah.
Okay.
Like you have cookies like butter cookies, they don't use any eggs. They only use butter and sugar and flour. But me, I'm going to use baking powder because this is my recipe. Mine.
You want them to swell?
No, so just wait and see.
Can't wait to test these cookies.
They're really going to be delicious.
Why do you love coconut, by the way?
I love coconut flavor and I don't know why. The flavor is just amazing. Yeah. So half a teaspoon. Yes, that's it.
Kidogo nikuulize story ya ujinga kwa video.
Cutting that. So guys, I've used half a teaspoon of baking powder.
1.
Half a teaspoon.
Okay.
Yeah, half a teaspoon. I made cookies.
Then
Guys, I'm going to mix my baking powder with my flour. Sorry, I'm using measuring spoons. I'm not serious, guys. I'm really not serious. Otherwise, 1 teaspoon. So, guys, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of coconut flavor. So, yeah.
on the other video you said you do approximation.
So, guys, I'm now adding my flour in here. You know, this is a cookie dough. You don't overmix, guys. I'm just going to do this. Then next, I'll go in with my hands manually. You don't overmix cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
Yeah, this is a cookie dough, guys. Guys, let me wash my hands so that I can go in with my hands now. Yeah, I need to go in with my hands. So guys, as I said earlier, I'm going to go in with my hands. Yeah, this is a cookie dough. You need to be gentle with a cookie dough. You don't need to overmix this dough, guys. Sorry, this bowl is too big.
Tumemeza ni koreza, but hapa ndio kuna light.
Let me just add the rest of my flour in here.
Msiaga na kukalia ngumu.
Check. I have to do this. Guys, you need to be gentle with while making your cookie dough. You don't need to knead like you're kneading chapati dough or something. This is just a cookie dough. You need to be gentle.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, my cookie dough is ready. This is my cookie dough, guys. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my cookie dough into the fridge for like 20 minutes before baking the cookies. Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, I'm going to put my cookie dough into the fridge for like 20 minutes. Yeah. Let it just stay there.
Madam Boss, what are you chewing?
I'm chewing something, guys. I haven't eaten.
It's a long journey, you know?
Yeah. I have to taste. You know, you have to make sure something is delicious, something is nice. So you just have to. Like that. Like that fire.
Okay.
So guys, we're going to bake our cookies.
So we are done.
Guys, my cookies are now ready, and I tell you they're delicious, they're crunchy. So just look at my cookies, guys. Yeah, they look delicious, guys. So my good people, I hope you're going to enjoy my recipe, and feel free to say anything about this recipe in the comment section. Bye guys.